Nail time. Nice and crispy.
I like this coat to visit Lashify.
Waited for so long. This is the moment.
Wait, thank you.
What's that restaurant?
It's called Fifth on the Hill. We're having brunch.
Lobster chilaquiles.
The lobster chilaquiles.
It's good. And some chicken waffles. And some blueberry pancakes. And some, what is it called? French toast. You think I'm kidding? I'm gonna order
No, I
that
know.
shit.
I know you're not kidding. I know you're gonna order that one. What are you getting? Just that? What you said? That's a lot.
Maybe just the chilaquiles and the pancakes.
I see.
Fries, maybe?
I'll get the
Chicken waffles?
Chicken waffle, yeah.
Oh, and the garlic fries.
Okay, so the lobster chilaquiles, BBO pancakes, and chicken waffles.
It's warmer than I expected it to be. We got the champagne flight. It has a lavender. What was it? Passion fruit? What's the third one? It looks like orange juice.
Okay, good.
Let's try this. Oh, I like it.
Yeah, it's good.
This one is the lavender. That's the passion fruit. Is it artificial?
Yeah, it's like champagne and just passion fruit.
Yeah, blood orange. They probably try to make it fancier. So it's blood orange.
Oh, it's real flour. Can you eat this?
No, don't eat. I don't think it's just for a look.
Oh,
What is it? Blood orange?
this is passion fruit. That's blood orange.
Oh, okay. Passion fruit's better then.
Yeah, it tastes better.
Yeah, this is better. These two are good. The lavender and the lavender and the passion fruit. Nail time. Given it's Valentine's Day, I want to redo my nails. These ones I did for Chinese New Year. It has that jeweled snake here, and I really liked it, but as you can see, it is very long. Fairly good at working through long nails and everything, but any little bit of growth makes the length feels extra long. So I think it's time to update, and this time around I actually want to go shorter. I have these nail inspo. I'll pop it up here that I want to do. It's just very simple, very dainty, somewhat Valentine's Day theme, but not like super in your face Valentine's Day. As you guys can see, I have everything to be a nail salon. And yeah, I need to prep it, get everything set up. I'm going to set up my station here at the dining table and just get my nails done. I did get a new nail file. I'm so excited because my old one broke. And this one, I'm so far really liking it. It's actually wireless, so I can like turn it on and use it without having to plug it in. But yeah, let's get this going. Okay, just to show you guys what I'm using today, because I'm not going to bore you with the long process, but I'm going to be going in with these. This is the Gel X Medium Almond Natural. Natural meaning your nail bed being not like extra curved. I do have a natural nail bed. They also come with more sculpted, so it has, if you have a thicker nail bed where it kind of curves more, you can use that. Yeah, this one is the natural, and the length isn't that long. This is very short for my standards. If anything, it's just as you can see, it's just a regular length almond. And then I'm thinking of doing a neutral color. I might get a tan and then do white color, kind of French tip, like a fade. And for the fade, I can use these. This is a foam applicator. I should open this. I actually saw somebody use this on Xiaohongshu, Red Notes. So much easier. So this comes with this little clamp. And you can basically clamp onto one of the foams and you can just like dab. That way you can do a nice little fade with the white. So I'm going to do a French tip fade. This is my one little tool. And because it's Valentine's Day, I'm also going to go in with white hearts on certain spots. Let's get the nail process going. I need to remove this set first, which will take the longest. Usually it's actually removing takes the longest time, but I do have this little gadget here. It's a steam nail. So it steams the acetone and it gives it some heat. It helps break down the gel a lot faster. The trick also is to make sure to file off any protective layer, top gel or top shine that you might have. This will help break down the gel a lot faster. I am excited for this new set because I don't know, I'm feeling short this month. It's really fun to be able to switch things around because I do my own nails now, and whenever I feel like I want to change, I can always change it around. Let's get it going. Just removed everything. I know the hand looks so dry right now, but now that I removed everything, I can move on to applying this new set. Done. Got little hearts, faded white, much shorter this time around. I'm gonna make this recipe that I saw on Trader Joe's account with their chicken pot stickers to make a soup. And it looked really comforting, so I'm gonna make it. Let's put this pot sticker, and then you need 2 of these, 1 of these. Nice and crispy. It's a very nice hearty meal. Look at this guy. Why are you just sitting? He said, I am working. I am a hacker. Are you gonna be a hacker? Oh, done. We have gonna add the cilantro. Should we add the cilantro on our own bowl, or do you want me to add it in? Okay. Done. Not bad. I'll be making this again. Ready. We're heading out for a early Valentine's Day dinner tonight. The 12th instead of the 14th. I still don't know which restaurant we're going to, but apparently it was booked up on, which I'm not surprised, booked up on Valentine's Day. It is very cold today and raining, so I'm wearing this nice, large, fluffy coat. This one's from Commence. I really love the bodice. I'll show you guys. It has this vintage vibe to it. Really like this coat. It's so cute. It's very warm, fuzzy. For my bag, I'm going with this Balenciaga. I haven't used it in a very long time, but the city bag is making a comeback, and I love this mini version. Earrings, I have this guy is from Love AJ. For the body, I'm wearing this little strapless top. It's really cute. I wore this in Venice during the summer too, but since it is pretty cold, layering is key. I love the sleeve. It has a little bit of a bell sleeve, and I love the little detail here. But yeah, it's on Commence, very affordable. They are surprising me in terms of quality and also the pricing. It's very close to Zara, but half of Zara's pricing, honestly.
Bear, you got me a little Valentine's bear. It's a panda. Oh, Then actually, we're also gonna order the clams.
Or the pasta, the vongole pasta, or the
vongole, yeah. Thank you. Sorry, I should have been more clear.
Parmesan?
Yes.
Lovely. Perfect. So we do the octopus, Caesar salad to start, and the spaghetti meatballs with the meatballs on the side, the tagliatelle vongole, and we'll finish with the veal. Perfect. That's a big piece of
That's a really, just for reference, like, wait, how can I, like, this is how big. That's a large piece of veal.
In the way she walks, the way she talks, or the way she loves.
Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. It's the actual 14th. It is a work day, but I have a midday event to visit Lashify. Their bond is really what I use the most today to do a one-on-one coaching on how to apply. And I'm excited because even though I know how to apply, I want to see if they can like give me some tips and tricks to make it last longer. For the most part, I only apply it for one day and then I remove it every night. By the way, this is empty, showing that I really do use the serum like non-stop. The new bottle's on the way. I love this serum. It's so hydrating. Make sure you get your neck. And a lot of people say that I don't take care of my neck. I do have very veiny neck, but I do have to say the soft wave treatment that I had really helped with my neck. It's insane. The deeper lines are gone and this part is just, it looks tighter. Somebody jumped on. Let's say hi. We got Kiki. What are you sniffing at? You want some skincare too, boo-boo? Or you want some makeup? She got big eyes. Look at her big eyes. Oh, such a pretty girl. And her heart-shaped nose. I don't know if you guys noticed, she got a heart-shaped nose. Next is this guy. I love this vitamin C from, sorry, that's the kittens. This is from Revive. It's a creamier base vitamin C. And it works really well underneath makeup. Because a lot of vitamin C
has a more oilier base, I feel like, depending on the formula. And sometimes it makes the foundation cake up. So this one doesn't do that. It is on the pricier end, I'm not gonna lie. But they make really good quality products. I love them. Next, we have my go-to for my morning moisturizer, which is the Ultra Repair Moisturizer. Crazy on vitamin C. So I'm going in with the Pharmacy. This is also not super oil-based. I'm just putting 2 drops of it in my moisturizer before I apply it. And Pharmacy is an all-natural, cruelty-free, which makes them that much better. I'm gonna go dry my hair and put base makeup on because we're not doing my eyes. I'm gonna go there and do the lashes, so I'm gonna leave my eyes blank. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready. This is the outfit, keeping it comfy, wearing a long coat. I went with the blue one. I don't know, I was going pink at first, but then I feel like it's too your typical Valentine's Day color, you know? But I love the soft blue. And then wearing my Chanel sweatshirt inside, just comfy. And I think I'm gonna go with Uggs because I'm honestly really tired. That other one, in terms of lasting, usually is between...
That's more like 5 to 7 days. This was more like 7 to 10.
Got it. Okay. Oh my god, thank you so much. These are really good.